In this video, I'll show you how to order items on the eBay app, including both buy now and auction methods. So let's get started. First, open the eBay app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on the search bar at the top and type the name of the product you want to buy. From the results, select the item you're interested in. Now, on the product page, you'll see two main options depending on the listing. 1. Buy Now option. If the item has a Buy It Now button, you can purchase it instantly. Simply tap Buy It Now, review your shipping address and payment method, and then tap Confirm and Pay to place your order. 2. Auction option. If the item is listed as an auction, you'll see a Place Bid button instead. Tap on Place Bid, enter your bid amount, and confirm your bid. If your bid is the highest when the auction ends, you'll win the item and be prompted to complete the payment. Before buying, make sure to check the product description, review seller ratings and feedback, look at shipping costs and delivery time. And that's it. You now know how to order on eBay using your phone, whether it's through buy now or auction. Thanks for watching.